Hi guys, it's Janice. Today we have a very short video about conjunction and. How do we use and? Basically, you know the meaning of and it's basically what we use to link two sentences up together. Okay, so what I would like you to do now is take a look at this sentence and tell me if there's anything you would like to change about the sentence to make it slightly better. Okay, I'm just going to give you a few seconds to read the sentence and think about it. Alright, now here we added es for after do to make it does because there's a he. Yeah? What about here? When you were thinking about it just now, did you think about adding an s here? Yes, we actually do need to add an s here. Why do we need to do that? Because I'm just gonna use a different color. We added es after do to make it into does because of pronoun he, right? And the same goes for that. Okay, so when we had it in two sentences, it was he does homework. Full stop. That's sentence 1. Sentence 2, he plays toys at home. Now we are using and to mark these two sentences up together, and there are only one thing these two sentences have in common. That's pronoun he. And when we are using the word and, it means that we don't want to keep saying he all the time, because if we have two he's, we can use and make them together, put them together. We don't need to say so many he's. If there are 5 sentences about this man or this boy, then we will need 5 he's, do we? No, we don't. We only need and, right? And the thing is, we don't want to write he again. We don't want the second he. And when we put and here, and then you link up the two sentences, the s after play is still there because he does, he plays. Okay, is that clearer? And for another example, if we have two sentences like that, he is washing the dishes. Second sentence, we have he is listening to music. That's one thing these two sentences have in common. For these two, we have he and he. Here we have something more, not just he, but he is. They are the same, right? He and he is, they are the same. Now, when we are linking them with and, do we want to say he is again? No. We just add and here and listen. And we put listening after and. So we don't need to say he is anymore. He is washing the dishes and listening to music. That's all we need to say, okay? That's why when we have it in one sentence, he is washing the dishes and listening to music. So he is washing, he is listening. Okay, I hope this has made it clearer for you, and this is a very common mistake. I just don't want you to make any of these mistakes again. Okay, now I hope that you can remember it. See you soon.